Hey guys, this is Shankho here and welcome to Smart Bengali. In this video, I'm going to share my shopping experience with NurseryLive.com. I'll also show you how I got a lucky bamboo plant from them at free of cost. NurseryLive is an online marketplace that provides plants, seeds, bulbs, pebbles, pots, planters, basically everything related to gardening. Currently, they are celebrating 1 million customers, and for this reason, they are giving away a lucky bamboo plant for all the interested customers. You just need to pay the shipping charges, and using a trick, you can also get back that shipping amount. So, let me show you the order placement process. This is their website. I'll give the link in the description. So, I've added the item to my cart. Don't worry, I'll put the link in the description. ₹79 is showing as the shipping charge, but if you pay via PayPal and if this is your first order on NurseryLive via PayPal, then you will get back that ₹79 as cashback to your PayPal wallet. Let me click on proceed to pay. Here we need to select the PayPal as our payment method, and you can see that ₹79 cashback is showing. Let me click on pay. It will be redirected to PayPal payment page. So let me make the payment. Okay, our payment is processing and my order has been successfully placed. You can track your order from here. The order history is showing here. These are the item details. They are giving away 5 lucky bamboo stalks, a plastic square pot, and 2 small pack of white pebbles. So according to this timeline prediction, the estimated delivery date is 4th January. Now I need to wait for a few days and I'll be back when the item gets delivered. So guys, just 5 minutes ago I got my parcel delivered from NurseryLive. I placed the order on 25th December and it was shipped via FedEx on 28th December. Then I got it delivered today on 2nd January. So without further delay, let's start the unboxing. This is our package. It's a cardboard box. One lucky bamboo plant stock is written over here. Let's cut the box. Okay, I think I will cut it here. And let me open it. I can see a newspaper wrapping. Let me pull it out. I think it got stuck somewhere. Okay, hopefully I didn't damage the plant. I think this is the plant. Let me put it aside. I'll come back to that later. Let's see what else is given inside the box. I can see a square shaped item wrapped with the thermocol wrappings. Probably this will be our pot. Let me pull it out. Okay. We have nothing else inside the box. We don't need that box anymore. Okay then, this was packed like this. This is my first time experience with NurseryLive. All I can say that packaging is good. Now let me check what's inside the pot. I need to get rid of this thermocol wrapping. They have included 2 packets of marble with the plant. By judging the weight, I think each of them are of 100 grams. Let me show you the marble size and the polishing. The size is small but good enough for the pot given with it, and these are polished marbles. Let me put these pebbles back. Now let's check the box. I must say I'm a little surprised by the size of the pot. It's very tiny. The height is around 3.1 inches, but the PVC quality is really good. And it has glossy finish all over it. Okay, they have the NurseryLive branding on it. Overall, it's a good planter. I really like the square shape. Now finally the main thing, the plant. This is our lucky bamboo tree. It was in transit for 5 days, still it's looking quite fresh and green. Okay, so they have given 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 stalks, 2 large and 3 small stalks. According to Chinese beliefs, the number of the stalks has a significant meaning. These 5 stalks represent 5 elements of the nature: air, water, earth, fire and wood. And having this plant in your home or office brings the happiness, prosperity, health and wealth. But I'm not a feng shui expert and I don't believe in it. So it's just a plant to me. Let's go back to the plant. They put the plant inside the water-based substance to keep it from drying out. I have no idea about this water-like material, but seems that it did its job quite well. Let me put this plant inside the pot and pour some water in it. I'll get back to you with the final result. So this is the final look. I poured the plant inside the pot. I'm using water instead of soil, but you can use wet soil too. And it looks really amazing. And I've also got back the shipping charge as a cashback to PayPal. Let me show it to you. So this was a good shopping experience for me. If you wish to buy any plants or gardening items from NurseryLive, I'll put the link in the description. They promote various offers time to time. Keep an eye on those offers. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe to my channel. I'll bring more useful content in future. Please like this video, share this video to your friends. Have a nice day. Thank you.